Hello, everyone. This is Shelly Rodrigo, your fearless cruise director for the MBA621 effective writing, business writing class that you'll be taking the second half of the semester. So, the video in front of you, this is the class right in front of you. I know that kind of looks boring. To be more specific, what's in the center of the screen is the class. Over here on the left is all the chaos that is my Google Drive account. I'm betting that most of your accounts probably don't look like this yet, but they'll start to look like this by the end of this class. So, this is something that probably doesn't look familiar to you, so let's go look at things that do look familiar. Here is the course syllabus. I will be linking out to this document in the Getting Started email. And it's typical syllabus stuff. You will want to read through it once. You will have the ability to ask questions, um, and I will answer them. But the most important document that you need to be aware of, and the one that we will be going to every single time you log into the class, if you will, is this schedule document. So up in the left-hand corner, it says schedule. That's the title. If we go back to the Google Drive space in the list of all these documents, it's the one that has schedule in all caps. That's there, so it's easy for you to find. That is the main document that you want to um, continue to come back to, because basically it is the list of where everything is. So let's talk through what you're going to be doing this week. So again, you're going to be getting familiar with Drive in the startup email I send you. If you've never ever worked in Drive, you might want to watch some of those videos I suggest. And let's now go down through the list. Okay, so you're going to watch this intro video, and you'll probably do that before you even get to this document because it'll be in the email. You're going to take a course information survey. Now, everything in this document, all the blue links, it's kind of a two-step process because you have editing capability on this document. So you click on the link, and then below it, it shows the URL, and you click out there. So here's a form, and you're going to fill that out. And then you're going to do some activities that are filling out forms and filling out survey responses. So again, here's another form that you will fill out. And then the second link is actually the responses to that form. Oops, maybe not. I will have to fix that link. I love when that happens. Hold on. Well, might as well show you. Okay, so writing inventory responses. That's the page I want. Actually, I like this is happening. So let's remove that link and go survey responses. Up here, there's the little button that says insert link. Paste it in. There we go. And test it, because obviously I didn't test it before. Okay, so there's the writing inventory responses, and this is where the results will show up. And in this tip suggestion area is where I'm going to ask you all to actually go in and write into this spreadsheet. You are going to be responsible for making folders for yourselves. So if we come back here to the Google Drive environment, there's a folder that says student folders. Currently, there is nothing in here. What you're going to want to do is go up here to the left and click new, click folder, and then your last name, comma, first name, and voila, there is now a folder. And then you're going to click into that folder, and you're going to make new other folders, and I don't remember what they are right now. Here we are. There's 4 names. You're going to make reading notes, rhetoric in the world assignments, rhetoric analysis and revision number 1, yada da yada da. So you'll make those 4 folders. Then you're going to start doing activities. This next activity is going to ask you to create a document in your Drive folder. So again, I'm in my Drive folder. Let's go back out. Here's the entire course folder. I go into student folders. There's my name. New Google Doc. That's how I create a new document. I go to the upper left-hand corner, and I can change the title of it. What title do we need? I can't remember. There we go. Last name, course goals. So I'm going to title my document. Voila. And now I can type in this, and it should look relatively familiar, like Microsoft Word processing interface. Okay, let's keep going. Now, specifically asking you to read the course syllabus. And notice I say ask any questions or make any comments. So this is a functionality in Docs that you need to get used to. If you highlight anything, highlight big sections, you can make a comment. That's a little up here in the center of the toolbar. There's a little dark square that insert comment. And then up on the right hand side, it pops up a comment that you can type. Now what's really nice about this is not only can you comment, but then someone can reply to your comment. So if I click on it, reply is an option. So what will happen is we will start to have dialogues within our documents using the commenting feature. So I am now going to delete these because we don't need them. I'm also asking you to read through the course schedule. That's the document we're in right now, and make any comments, ask any questions. Now, I am scheduling 2 synchronous chats for this class. They will be mandatory in the sense of that if you cannot make it, you will need to watch it and then do an activity afterwards. Click on this link and you will be able to have the opportunity to put in input. There we go. Input into a schedule of what will work for you. So please do that this first week, and that's what you're supposed to do this first week. You will then have reading and thinking notes assignment prompt. That's one of the homework assignment styles you're going to do. And you will have reading assignments. Please note all the reading assignments, they link into readings folder. Again, if we go to the course, we go back out to the course here, there's a readings folder, and that's where all of the readings are in PDF form. A few more will be added, but you don't have to buy anything. Each week I'm asking you to listen to or read a Grammar Girl podcast. So Grammar Girl just does these quick podcasts on very specific grammatical issues. Obviously, you can read the most current ones, whatever she has. However, notice there's current, there's popular. Have fun. I don't care. Just make sure you stay within Grammar Girl. There are other quick and dirty tips podcasts. So money and finance podcast is not what I'm asking for this class, although some of you may find those interesting. You specifically have to listen to the Grammar Girl ones. Okay. The rest of this hopefully will make sense as you go through. If you have questions, feel free to either post questions as comments. I highly suggest you do that because your classmates actually might answer you before I get to it. You're always welcome to email me as well. However, I do ask that you try to ask here, like I said, because chances are if you have a question, I want to also reply to it in a space that everybody can see it. Other comments here. Anything that is highlighted with this light color red, I have not finished it yet, so it makes sense that I haven't done the introduction to this week video for next week. But if we scroll down, I also haven't figured out exactly what we're going to do for this activity, this part 2 of the activity. I think at this point, this is enough to get you started. Welcome. I look forward to getting to meet you all. And again, if you have questions, don't hesitate to ask.